How to fix Instagram GIFs not working. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure if your internet is working properly, then head to the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now open up settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now click on app management and find Instagram. Now click on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Tap on delete and restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.